Leave it running?
Are you running right now?
Yeah.
Leave it running for a little bit.
Okay. Do I still need to be hooked up to you?
Well, yeah, you're pulling a charge off.
Right. But once I get started, I can... If we disconnect, am I just going to die?
You shouldn't, but we'll give it a couple of minutes.
Okay. During situations like this, sometimes I don't have gas. Enough gas to keep it running, you know?
Oh,
Right. not that that's an issue. Not that that's an issue. I work at a gas station.
where'd your bag go?
It's right here.
Oh, you got him?
Yeah. Uh-oh, are you blocking the pump? Uh-oh. Damn. Didn't even think about that. Sweet.
All the fucking pumps we got. You know that one?
Well, if he goes around to pump 1 and 2, they don't work. And yeah, he's got a big ass boat, so.